Welcome back. Preparations are underway for the 9th staging of the Colosseum Fight Night, and having been declared a success by the International Mixed Martial Arts Federation, the push is to get more financial support to grow the event. Denise Walters has the details.
The 8th staging of the Colosseum Mixed Martial Arts Fight Night was held on the grounds of the Portmore Municipal Corporation for the first time.
It's from a partnership with the mayor and myself, the mayor and the Fit Like a Fighter team, because we have been working together assiduously on making sure that we help the kids in Portmore, in St. Catherine, and of course, the wider Jamaica.
Promoter and head coach at Fit Like a Fighter Club, Odin Taylor, says he's hoping the successful staging can bear more fruit.
We are hoping that after this, the mayor will see the potential of what we are having. Not to say he hasn't seen it already, because he has, hence we are here, but we will then get much more support, not even just from the mayor, but from corporate.
Meanwhile, CEO of the IMMAF, Dancehall White, who was in Jamaica for the fight, agrees that more investment is needed, but says the organizers are on the right track.
I think this is a start of something special, and obviously there's a long way to go, but I think it will encourage the athletes and coaches around the country to invest more time and money. Hopefully the government as well, the Ministry of Sport, the Jamaica Olympic Committee will see this sport and want to invest more money into it.
White says the local fighters overall have potential.
I think it's been a great show, really well presented, really excited to see the athletes. I know how hard they've been working and preparing for this competition, and they all did incredibly well.
Now, in the meantime, a number of the fighters were making their debut in kickboxing and boxing.
Well, it was good. First round was good. They was surprised how gas I get, because in training, I don't really get gas. And I kind of do like cross country, so marathon and them there. So when we get in there and reason around to win, when we get gas, I'm surprised. But we stay strong and do my best.
The fight was very challenging, seeing as though it was my very first fight. He did very well pressuring me, and I tried my best to do what I'm known best for and keeping him out of my range.
I had a game plan, sharp punches and sharp kicks. I have my fellow teammate in the corner and coach who's very passionate about it, and was like, fox this and fox that, and I listened.
No, she's good. She was looking at the crowd too much. Her eyes wasn't focused. But it's okay. She did really well.
Boxer Purity Sharp shared the special moment with her father, Wayne Sharp, her boxing coach.
Him said he want me fight, so I came and I showed up, and I showed out.
That's boxing, beautiful. It's called a theater of unexpected. They didn't expect that. They did not expect that. You showed them proof. You are the best, not in the world, but in Jamaica right now.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.